Hello students, welcome to our recorded lecture series. Hope you are okay, good, fit and fine. So today is exercise number 1.2. We have started angle and measurement. This is exercise 1.2 and the topic is arc length and area of sector. So first of all we'll see what is arc length. Length of arc. Arc is what? Part of circle. And what is area of sector? How the area depends on angle, central angle. In first part we'll see topic theory, and in second part we'll move to exercise 1.2 where we will solve all question of exercise 1.2, right? So in case of arc length, what we have studied till now, and in 10th standard you all have studied, suppose this one is what? Circle having center O, this is radius R, this is also radius R, and this one is what? Theta. This one is what? Central angle, and we have a point A and we have a point B. So if I am writing AB, then AB is what? Chord, right? AB is what? This one is what? Chord of a circle, right? Now if I am writing AB in this way, so this become what? Arc AB. This distance is what? Arc AB, length of arc. Suppose this one is what? L. Fine. This one is what? L. So we have a relation. Between L, theta and R. What is L? L is what? Length of arc. Theta is what? Central angle, and R is what? Radius of a circle. So relation is what? Length of arc is equal to R theta. Length of arc equal to R theta. L is what? Length of arc. If I am going to take this AB as a complete part of a circle, then L will become 2 pi R. L will become what? 2 pi R, and here it is what? R, and theta will become what? One complete rotation means what? 2 pi. See the validity. We have 2 pi R equal to 2 pi R means this equation is valid, right? This is used in physics for the principle of homogeneity. So L is equal to R theta. We have a relation between length of arc, radius and central angle theta. So in this exercise we'll use the formula L is equal to R theta. And also see here, this one is what? Sector. This one is what? Sector. This is minor sector, and this one is what? Major sector. This is what? 360 minus theta. This one is what? 360 minus theta. So first of all see area of sector. Suppose this one is what? Theta. This is center. This is A. This is B. So this one is what? Sector, whose area we have to find. We have to find area of this sector, right? Now suppose this area of sector, we have a formula, area of sector equal to half R squared theta. This one is R, this one is what? R. So area of sector is equal to half R square theta. This proof is not asked in any examination, but for solving exercise we have to use this one, right? This is also used in the standard 10th. So this can be written as half into R into theta, and we have a formula L is equal to R theta. L is what? Length of arc. So this can be written as half into R into L. This is what? Area. This formula is to be used in exercise 1.2. So after discussing this formula, we will move to exercise 1.2, right? So which formula to be used? L is equal to R theta, first one. Area of sector is equal to half R square theta, and third formula, area is equal to half into R into length. This three formula is to be used in solving exercise 1.2. So let's move to question number 1. We'll try to solve each and every question of exercise 1.2. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and share. And first of all, go through my first lecture on angle and measurement, that is exercise 1.1. So we have two lecture. First is based on theory and second lecture is based on exercise 1.1. You will get all solved numerical on board of exercise 1.1 in second lecture. So kindly please go through exercise 1.1, and here is exercise 1.2. So first of all, first question. First question is what? Find the length of an arc of a circle which subtend an angle of 108 degree. 108 degree at center. The radius of a circle is what? 15 centimeter. This is what? 15 centimeter. What you have to find? You have to calculate. Length of arc. So length of arc L is equal to r theta, right? So r is what? 15 and theta is what? 108 degree. So this degree is to be converted into radian. So it become what? Pi by 180 radian. Fine. This to be converted into radian. Now this will become what? 15 into 12. So wait, this is what? 15 into 1, this is 108. Here is a mistake. So it will come 15 into 108 into pi by 180. Right? So this one is what? In centimeter. Since the radius is in centimeter, the answer will be in centimeter. So you can cancel this. This become 54. This become 90. 9 into 6. 9 into 10. This become 3. This become 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 3 is 15. 3 into 3. 9 pi centimeter is the length of arc AB. Length of arc AB is what? 9 pi centimeter. This was all about question number first. So we'll move to question number second. The question is what? The radius of a circle is 9 centimeter. Length of arc of this circle cuts off a chord equal to length of a radius. Means we have a circle and we have a radius, right? And the length of chord, this is what? Length of chord AB. This is equal to radius, right? It is given this chord is, the chord length is equal to radius of circle. This is radius, this is radius. So we have an equilateral triangle, and in case of equilateral triangle, central angle or all angle is what? 60 degrees. So we have 60 degree as central angle, and radius is what? 9 centimeter. So you have to find the value of length of arc, right? Again, it is very simple. L is equal to r theta. R is what? 9. Theta is what? 60 degree. So this become 9 into pi by 180. 9 into 60 into pi by 180. This become 3 and this become 3. So we have 3 pi centimeter. We have 3 pi centimeter as the length of arc of this question. This is question number 2. We'll move to question number 3. Here is question number 3. Question number 3, find the length in degree subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is 15 centimeter. Means here length is what? 15 centimeter. Length of arc is given and radius of a circle is given as 25 centimeter. You have to find angle in degree subtended at the center. Subtended at the center. So we have what? L is equal to r theta. Theta will become what? L by r. This become 15 by 25. 5 into 3. 5 into 5. So theta is equal to 3 by 5. You have to find the value in degree. In order to find the value in degree, this is in radian. So calculate 3 by 5 into 180 by pi radian. So this will become what? 5 3 jar 36. 36 into 3, 108 degree. So this one is what? This one was in radian, this is in degree. So 108 by pi degrees. This is question number 3. In question number 3, you have to convert it into degree. So here it is what? 108 by pi degree. So next is question number 4. In question number 4, a pendulum of length 14 centimeter. A pendulum is there of length 14 centimeter. Oscillate through an angle of 18 degree. This one is what? 18 degree. You have to find the length of its path. You have to find the length of path. Length of path AB equal to question mark. So L is equal to r theta. Again it is very simple. 14 into 18 degree. So this become 14 into 18 into pi by 180. This become what? 10. This become 5. This becomes 7. So we have 7 pi by 5 centimeter. 7 pi by 5 centimeter is the answer for question number 4. Let's move to question number 5. So these all are based on area of length of arc. So here is question number 5. Two arc of a same length subtends angle of 60 degree and 75 degree at the center of two circle. So we have two circle, theta 1 and theta 2 is given. For first circle it is what? 60 degree, and for second circle it is what? 75 degree. What is the ratio of radius of two circle? What is the ratio? You have to find what? Ratio. Length of arc L1 equal to L2. Fine. You have to find R1 by R2. So what is the formula? L is equal to R theta, L1 is equal to R1 theta 1, L2 is equal to R2 theta 2, L1 equal to L2 is given. So R1 theta 1 equal to R2 theta 2. So R1 by R2 will be equal to theta 2 by theta 1. This is 75 by 60, 15 into 4, 15 into 5. So this become 5 is to 4. This become 5 is to 4. Means what? The radius, the ratio of radius is 5 is to 4. Next question, question number 6. Question number 6 is what? The area of a circle is 25 pi square centimeter. Area is 25 pi square centimeter. What do you mean by area? Area is what? Pi r square equal to 25 pi cancel, r square equal to 25, r is equal to plus minus root 25 is what? 5 centimeter. Means the data is what? Radius of a circle is 5 centimeter. Okay. Next question number 6. Find the length of an arc subtending at angle of 144 at the center. Also find the area of corresponding sector. So first of all you have to find the length of arc. So length of arc is what? See in diagram, this one is what? 144 degree. Yeah, it is 144 degree. This is 5. This is 5. You have to find the value of length of arc. So L is equal to r theta 5 into 144 degree, 5 into 144 into pi by 180 centimeter. Right? Now this become what? 90, 72, this become 36, this become 45, this become 9, and this become 4. So it is what? 4 pi centimeter. 4 pi centimeter is what? Length of arc. Again in question number 6 you have to find area of corresponding sector. Area of corresponding sector. So area is what? Half into r into L. This formula I had used. So it is what? Half into 5 into 4 pi. So 20 pi by 2. This become 10 pi square centimeter. 10 pi square centimeter is the answer. 10 pi square centimeter. So this was question number 6. Next we discuss question number 7. In question number 7, OAB is a sector of a circle having center O. Having center O. This one is what? O. So we have a OAB as a sector, right? And radius 12 centimeter means what? This distance is what? 12 centimeter. If angle AOB is 45 degree, this one is what? 45 degree. Find the difference between area of sector OAB and triangle AOB, right? So we have two things. One is what? Sector OAB and one is triangle AOB. Fine. What you have to find? You have to find area of sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB. This is very simple. Area of means what? This area you have to find. You have to find this area. Means what? Area of sector AOB is what? Half into r squared theta minus area of triangle AOB will be what? Half into base into height. Half into base into height. Now what we have to do? R is given. Yes, R is given. Theta is given. Yes, theta is given. Fine. Base is given in triangle AOB. If I am drawing perpendicular here, see, then this become height and OB become base. This become what? Base, which is what? 12, and A, suppose this one is what? AD. So AD will become height of a triangle, right? Now we have a right angle triangle AOD. Triangle AOD is what? Right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, take sine theta. If I am taking sine 45 degree, this will become what? AD by AO. So AD will become what? AO sine 45. So AD will become what? AO is what? 12. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. 12 by root 2 means what? Rationalizing this one, 12 root 2 by 2, this become 6 root 2, right? This become 6 root 2. So triangle AOB, in triangle AOB, height is what? AD is 6 root 2 and the base is OB as 12. Now put here half r square means what? 12 square into theta means what? 45 degree minus half into base is what? This one, and height we had calculated 6 root 2. Height we had calculated 6 root 2, right? So this become what? Half into 12 square 144 into 45 into pi by 180 in order to convert it into radian, minus this become what? 6 into 6 root 2. Now this become what? 72 into this become pi by 4 minus this become 36 root 2. This is 2, this is 36, this is what? 18. So we have 18 pi minus 36 root 2 as the answer of this shaded region. Shaded region is the difference of area of sector and triangle. So 18 pi minus 36 root 2 is the answer. This was question number 7. We'll move to question number 8. Come to question number 8. in question number 8, OPQ is the sector of a circle. OPQ is the sector, right? Angle is what? 30 degree. Central angle is given 30 degree. Now radius is given 15 centimeter. This is 15 centimeter. This is also 15 centimeter. Find the area enclosed by arc PQ. Arc PQ is this one, and chord PQ is this one. Again, you have to find this shaded area of this shaded region, right? So what is the area of this shaded region? Area of shaded region is area of sector OPQ minus area of triangle OPQ, which is what? Half r square theta minus half into base into height of triangle, this one. Now see, draw a perpendicular here. Suppose this one is what? D, and in triangle, right angle, we have a right hand triangle. So in triangle ODQ, sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree means what? This is perpendicular DQ by this one is what? Hypotenuse 15. So DQ is what? 15 into sine 30 degree. So 15 into sine 30 is half. This becomes 7.5 centimeter. So height of a triangle is what? 7.5 centimeter. Now calculate area. So area of this shaded region is what? Half r square theta minus half into base is what? Base is 15 and height is what? 7.5. Height is 7.5. So this become half into 15 square into 30 into pi by 180 minus half into 15 into 7.5. See this, half into 15 square is what? 225. This become pi by 6 minus half into 15. 7.5 can be written as 15 by 2. Now this will become what? This so this is divisible by 3. So this become what? 7 3 ja 21, 5 3 2 ja, right? 75 pi by 4 minus, if I am not wrong, it is this one, 4 square centimeter. So it is what? 75 pi by 4. 75 pi minus 225 divided by 4 square centimeter is the area of this shaded region. This is question number 8. We'll move to question number 9. Two more questions remaining, question number 9 and question number 10. So here is question number 9. The perimeter of a sector of a circle of area 225 pi square centimeter is 20 centimeter. Perimeter is given as 20 centimeter. So first calculate radius. So area is what? Pi r square equal to 25 pi. Pi get cancel. R square equal to 25. So r is equal to 5 centimeter. Now L is equal to r theta. 20 is equal to 5 into theta. What we have to find? We have to find what we have to find. This is question number 9. Is 20 centimeter. Find the area of sector. Wait. First of all, we have to draw the diagram in order to get the concept. See, this one is what? Sector, right? This one is what? Sector. Perimeter of this sector is what? perimeter of this sector is what? R plus L. Perimeter is what? Sum of all sides, which is given as 20. So R is 5, 5 plus 5, 10 plus L is equal to 20. L is equal to 20 minus 10, so L is equal to 10 centimeter. Length of arc is what? 10 centimeter. Now you have to find the area of sector. Now area of sector is half into R into L. So half R is 5, L is what? 10. This become 25 square centimeter. This one is what? 25 square centimeter is the area of sector. And last question, here is last question, question number 10. So in question number 10, the perimeter of a sector of a circle of area 64 pi square centimeter. Area is what? 64 pi square centimeter. Area is what? Pi r square. This is 64 pi. Pi cancel. R square equal to 64. R equal to 8 centimeter. Now draw a sector. This one is what? Sector. Now its perimeter is given. Its perimeter is given as 56 centimeter. So what is perimeter here? Perimeter is R plus L is what? 56. 8 plus L is what? 56. L is equal to 56 minus 16. L equal to 40 centimeter. And area is what? Half into R into L. So half into 8 into 40. This become 20. This become 160 square centimeter. This is 160 square centimeter. So this is all about exercise number 1.2. Total we have 10 questions. We had completed all the questions. Please go through this video lecture. And again I am repeating, if you have any doubt, please let us know. And if you had not yet subscribed our Gurukul IIT channel, please subscribe and share so that more and more students can take advantage of this video lecture series. This is a recorded video lecture series. Thank you.